Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by updating and restarting both Opera GX and Discord. This prevents version conflicts. Next, enable hardware acceleration in Opera GX, then toggle the same in Discord's voice and video settings so they use consistent GPU paths. Once done, close GPU-heavy tabs and programs that lock video resources because a competing process can produce a black screen. Finally, reopen only the window you want to share. This reduces resource contention and prepares the app chain for a clean stream. Now choose exactly what to share. Select the Opera GX window from Discord's application window list rather than the entire screen because that isolates the feed. Make sure you set a moderate resolution like 720p at 30 frames per second. Lowering settings reduces encoding strain. Next, confirm Windows has granted relevant permissions and that Opera GX is allowed to capture and be captured. If you've changed graphics preferences, make sure Opera GX and Discord are assigned to the same GPU in Windows graphics settings. To finish test sharing, if you still see a black screen, restart your GPU drivers or restart Windows Explorer to reset capture hooks. If problems persist, try sharing from Discord's browser client or open Opera GX in a private window to rule out extensions. Extensions can block capture. Make sure both apps use the same GPU. As a last resort, clear Discord's cache or reinstall the client. This resolves corrupted capture modules. Remember, if sharing works in a new profile, extensions or cache were likely the cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.